Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and a special good day to my lecture. My name is Della Arnila and my student ID number is 230512500027. Today I am absolutely thrilled to perform this role-play presentation for my final test, focusing on a critical banking negotiation scenario, restructuring. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Welcome to Apex National Bank. My name is Della Arnila and I am the senior loan officer here. I received your request for an urgent meeting regarding your commercial business loan. How can I assist you today? Good morning. Thank you for seeing me on short notice. As you know, I've been running my boutique catering business for 5 years and my repayments have always been on time. However, due to the recent supply chain disruption and a drastic increase in raw material costs, my cash flow has taken a severe hit. I am finding it incredibly difficult to meet the current monthly obligation of $3,500. I really want to pay, but I need some flexibility for a default. I completely understand your situation, Mr. Smith, and appreciate your proactiveness in coming to use before missing a payment. Maintaining your excellent credit score is our priority too. Let's look into your accounts together. Your current remaining balance is $84,000 with 24 months left on the term, correct? Yes, that is correct. I am committed to paying it back, but $3,500 a month right now is simply unsustainable for my business survival. Thank you for confirming. Based on our bank policy for loyal clients, we have a couple of restructuring programs available. The first option is 3 months repayment moratorium where you only pay the interest component, reducing your payment to roughly $800 a month for the next 3 months. After that, your normal payments resume. A temporary drop to $800 sounds helpful for immediate breathing room, but honestly, my market recovery will likely take longer than 3 months. Once the 3 months are up, my cash flow will still be tight, though we have a more long-term solution. Perhaps extending the loan maturity. We can certainly explore that. Option 2 is long-term extension. We can extend your remaining 24 months tenure to 42 months. By doing this, your monthly payment will drop significantly from $3,500 down to approximately $2,100. However, please be aware that extending the term means you will pay more total interest over the life of the loan. How does that figure look for your monthly cash flow? $2,100 is much closer to what I can afford. It would definitely save my business, but since the total increase will increase, is there any possibility to lower the increase rate by maybe 0.5% or 1% to offset the total cost? Given my flawless 5-year repayment history with your bank, you have been an exemplary client, Mr. Smith, and we highly value your loyalty. While I cannot reduce the best interest rate permanently, I can offer a compromise. I can waive the $250 restructuring administration fee, and I can look in a fixed interest rate instead of the current floating rate. This will protect you from any future market rate hikes during these 42 months. This is the absolute best conversation I can authorize today. Waiving the admin fee and looking in the fixed rate is very fair. It gives me predictability, which is exactly what my business needs right now. I accept this proposal. Fantastic! I am glad we could find a win-win solution to keep your business thriving. To process, I will need you to sign this update loan in restructuring agreements. The new monthly payment of $2,100 will take effect starting next month on the 5th. That sounds perfect. Thank you so much for your empathy and for working out this solution with me. You've taken the hard weight off my shoulders. That concludes my final test roleplay presentation regarding loan restructuring negotiation. The scenario demonstrates effective banking communication, active listening, and financial problem solving. Thank you very much for your time and evolution, sir.